guys, it's your girl Bad Gal D, and I'm back with another banger video. So y'all, today I got something new for y'all. You know, I just keep coming with these new videos, you feel me? Like, I gotta keep y'all entertained, like, you feel me? So I got a video. Today's video is gonna be about clothes. And no, I'm not sponsored. I should be, no, we stop. But let's get into the fit. So I just did some TikTok, so that's why I got this on. And I just did my hair. But I got this on. I don't even remember where I got this from, honestly. So if you try to ask me, I wish I could tell you, but I really don't remember. I will wait because Tisha's about to go on vacation, so for me. Nah, I don't know what, but you gotta speak into existence. But yeah, y'all. Oh, now you about to fall off the chair. So this is my shoes. This is the shirt, or the dress, I should say. And yeah. But yeah, let me take off my heels because I don't know where this anymore. Thankfully. And if you see me ashy, don't mind it. It's not ash. If you know, you know. If you don't, you know. If you don't, then watch my last video. Okay, I'm about to do this little try on haul for you, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yo, TikTok is so addicting. Like, it's so annoying sometimes. Y'all see the height difference now?
Alright, y'all, so let's get in our first outfit. First, we're gonna start off with our Fashion Nova. I only got a few things from here, y'all, so let's get right into the video. These jeans I absolutely love. They're a little big, but not too much. Like, I could wear it without a belt, but half of the times I probably will wear a belt. But they have slits at the sides, and then they're kind of bell bottom. I rate it about 7.5. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of leather pants, but I just had to buy them because they're stacked and I actually enjoy them. They were kind of tight, I'm not gonna lie. They were kind of tight, but I like my stuff fitted, so it was perfect for me. But it was kind of hard to, you know, get up. But I rate this about, I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. I actually love this and I can't wait to put this look together. You guys, once I seen this shirt, I was like, I have to get it. 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 And I got it. And here you see me trying to tuck one side in and then wear the other side out, but it wasn't working out, so don't even judge. But I honestly love this shirt. It's very comfortable. It's like cotton material, and I honestly 9 out of 10 recommend it. Like, it's so soft, smooth. Like, I just love Fashion Nova shirts. I also pulled it out so you could see the full length of it, and yeah, I have so many shirts so similar to this, but I had to get this one because it was like a low crew neck, so I just had to give it a try. Like, and I absolutely love it. Like, I pulled it down to show you the length, but I actually like my shirts like that, so I did it like that. The long sleeve is friendly for people who have long hands like myself, so yeah, 9 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, oh my god, this shirt, 10 out of 10, guys. I recommend it so much. Like, I love this shirt. It snugs onto you on your torso, and then it's like flared out at the arms. Like, it's perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. You could button it up all the way, or you could just leave it how I left it, or however you want, because there's many buttons on there, so you could just play around with it. But 10 out of 10 recommended.
Today I'm doing a Shein try on haul, and I really want to know, how do you guys pronounce Shein? Is it Shein? Shein? How do you guys pronounce it? I say Shein. Shein. Don't matter. We all know what we're talking about. So let's get right into the video. Cause when this popped up at my gate, I was like, what's this? I thought it was my mom. Y'all, should I just dump it out or not? Oh, I know she did not just do something like that. How my outfit's hanging out like that? Y'all got me messed up. I want a refund. No, I'm sorry. All right, y'all. So let's get into the video.
Oh my gosh, guys, as soon as I saw this outfit, I had to buy it. Like, it wasn't really my type of style, but I just had to, like, just look at it, like, I loved it. And then boom, I had to throw on the heels with it just to give it the full look. Had to model for y'all for a quick second. If you know that I used to be a model, then you know, not too much. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, I absolutely love this material. Is just so nice. Like, it just fits so perfectly. I can't wait to go out in this outfit. 10 out of 10 recommended. And then, of course, guys, I'm from New York, so I had to get the puffer vest jacket. Plus, that's like the new trending style that's going on, so I just had to give it a try, and I actually like it. And guys, don't mind the outfits. Like, this is not what I'm actually gonna put with it. Whatever, if it looks good or if it doesn't, so don't mind it. But both the long sleeve turtleneck and the vest was very nice, comfortable, and warm. And let's get into the jeans really quickly. These are one of my favorite jeans. These are also kind of big on me, but not too much. I could just simply put a belt on and I'll be good. It has slits at the sides, so you could dress it up with some heels if you want. And I 10 out of 10 recommend this whole entire outfit. And like I said, guys, I'm just throwing on these outfits just to make the video go by faster. This is not actually what I'm going to be wearing. Yeah, just take a second and look at me. Like, I look like a whole boy. Like, why would they do me like this? Shein, count your days, because this is not what it looked like in the picture. This is not what it looked like in the picture. Like, I was very upset. Like, why does it look like that? High waters and all. Like, what is happening right now? Like, I was just trying to help myself, try to like it. Then I was like, nah, because I'm looking like Steve Urkel right now. So I pulled it up, like, and I started dying laughing because why do I look like this? Like, I don't like these jeans. I'm sorry. These cargo pants, I don't like them. 0 out of 10. I'm sorry, but I don't recommend it. And then, y'all, let's get right into these jeans, because these are my favorite jeans right now. Like, you see the little I know you see it poking. Let me stop. But these, I thought they were originally stacked, but they're not stacked. They're just bell bottoms. So I still like it, but I'm obsessed with stacked pants right now. But I recommend these. Like, I'll rate it a 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10. So I got another puffer jacket to show you guys. This one is a little bit more puffier than the other one that I shown you previously, but it's also warm and comfortable. I love it. I got another puffer vest, but this one wasn't as puffy, so it's not my favorite, but I do wear it often, so I guess you could rate it a 7 out of 10. So I decided to get a few bags like the black one, which has been very well. I haven't worn any of them out yet, but I have worn the white one, which I'm about to show you right here. And honestly, I'm very highly upset because the strap broke, so I'm returning it. For this one, I'm honestly not even sure why I got it. I just saw the picture and I was like, yep, I want it just because. And it actually looked really nice on me. It has a few pockets and it's very, very warm. So I can't wait until like it's that type of weather where I could just wear it like that. If not, I'm still gonna wear it because I gotta get my money's worth. But yeah, I actually love it. I recommend it. I'll rate it a 7.5 out of 10. yes, yeah, I forgot to tell you, it also has buttons all the way down. And then here I go acting like Beyonce. If you know, you know. But yeah. When I bought this, I thought this was just a one piece, but this is two piece. Like, I never even noticed that. Honestly, I wore it once and I don't know if I'm a fan of it. Like, I don't know. It's warm kind of, but not really. But I don't know. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. It's cute though. Here goes another one of my favorite new jeans. I absolutely love these jeans. I got it because of the design. I was like, oh no, I absolutely have to have them. They're a little bell bottom, like flared down at the bottom, but not too much, so it's not like a drag. But yeah, they have a little rips in the back and in the front, and I don't know, it's just something about this I just love. It snugs onto me very well. Here goes another one of the bags. I'm actually going to open this one and show you guys. It has enough space for you to put anything in it, honestly. Your phone, lip gloss, debit cards, credit cards, anything, honestly, that you want, you could fit in it. So that's what I kind of like about it, because the mini bags that I used to collect, you know, obviously it doesn't have enough space, so I actually enjoyed this bag. Last but not least, I have this outfit. I believe Shein had the outfit together and I found them and just bought them. Here it seems like it's like a okay outfit, but I actually do really love this outfit. I really did not expect me to like it, but I really did like it. The bottoms are like bell bottoms kind of, but you know, just with like a little heels, I feel like I'll really like enjoy and love this outfit. So I'll give this outfit like a 7.5, 8 out of 10.
Guys, so thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There will be much more videos like this. Sorry for the mess, y'all, because I didn't realize how much clothes I've ordered and how many bags I've ordered. But you know what, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys, love you, bye.